After we identify do follow, no follow, how to do it, then let's understand type of link building, which is important. The first type of link building is one-way link building. One-way link building means that A site is giving a link to site B. Simple. Okay. One-way linking is one site is giving a link to another site. Second is two-way linking. Two-way linking is uh, A site gives a link to B, B site gives a link to A. Okay. Three-way linking is if Y website is giving a link to Z, Z is giving a link to X. This is called three-way linking. So these are the type of linking model that works in the industry. So what do you think? Which type of linking is better for you? One-way, two-way, or three-way? And why? Sorry, you can't see my screen. Okay, I've told you one-way linking is this. One site is giving a link to another. Two-way linking is this when one site is giving a link to other site is giving a link back. And three-way is this. Y is giving a link to Z and Z is giving a link to X. So tell me which type of linking is better according to you. If you are doing SEO for your website, which type of linking you want to do and why? I got one reply. Shiva says 1 and 3.
Not
Okay.
sure about it, but I am taking a wild guess. I thought it's number 3 because you're getting more reach, right?
Okay.
Not sure.
Uh, no, no problem. You don't have to be sure. You are learning. It is fine. You, according to
So
your
three-way
understanding,
linking
it's
is good.
three. Sorry.
Three-way linking is better because we can share with more members, and that's the thing.
Okay. Perfect. What about others? One way, two way, three way. I got a couple of replies out of 8 people. Only three people have told me. Okay. The best type of linking is one-way linking because you are getting only a link. You are not giving any link to anyone. Okay, that is the best way. If somebody gives you money without working, so it is that way. One-way linking is that. Okay, you are getting a salary for not doing the job also. Two-way is like you are working for them and they are giving you a salary. So you are doing their work and they are paying you salary. This is two-way, which is also fine. The third way is somebody else is working and you are getting a salary of it. Okay. So the best preferred is the first when you are getting a backlink and you are not giving it. Second is somebody else is giving a link and you are getting a link from it from the other website. That is third way. And second is when you are giving a link and somebody is giving you a link back. Okay. The problem with second way is that you will get a link juice and you will pass on that link juice to others. Okay, that is a big trouble point that you are giving a link juice and you are getting a link juice. So you're losing a link juice as well. And it is banned. This activity is banned by Google as well. So you can't give a link and take a backlink from it because according to that, Google, you are trying to spam Google or you are trying to take advantage of Google, which is not right. Even the third way is not right because uh, according to Google, that means you are a website owner of X and Y, and Y Z would give you a link. Even when Y is giving a link to Z, Z will give a link back to Y, not to X. In case if he wants a link, that means you are a website owner of X and Y. Okay, and you are giving a link from X website where you are not concerned about the link juice, and you are getting a link from Z where they are passing on the link juice. So X site is gaining the link juice and Y site is losing it, but Y site is not your main site. So You don't have a problem on losing link juice. Okay, out of three ways, the first way is the best way. Okay, so how to get links? Because saying getting a backlink, one-way backlink, two-way backlink, it's not easy. Okay, so how to get backlinks, we will learn. Before that, let's learn the property of low quality backlinks. Okay, low quality backlinks doesn't mean that we should not take it, but it also means that whenever we are trying to generate a link, we should try to minimize it or keep it on last priority. Okay, to get backlinks from them. It doesn't mean that we will not take the backlink. Okay, or uh, it is a spam activity except link farm. The first low quality backlink is non-relevant content. Let's suppose Aditya, who has a loan website, is giving me a backlink, and my website is education website. Is there a connection? No. What Aditya content would be around the banks, loans, and all, whereas my website will not have anything like that. So there is no relevance on whichever page he's giving me a backlink. So avoid that kind of backlinking. So Google automatically understands it very clearly that if somebody is giving a link on non-relevant content from non-relevant content, that means it is a fake link, or there is a backend jugaad which me and Aditya has done. I have given something to Aditya, so Aditya can give me a backlink. So by this way they identify. Okay, that's why don't try to get non-relevant backlinks from content, non-relevant content. Okay, backlinks from that. Second is footer links. Footer links are least important links because no, if you go in a website, do you check footer links? No, most of the times no, because everything is already in the menu and a lot of CTAs in the body itself. Nobody checks. So Google consider that kind of links which you are getting from footer is low quality backlinks because that you give it for social media icons which are of no high uh, importance. Okay, so or you give a link of the website company who has created for you. So that quality of backlinks are not really good. That's why you should try to avoid that. Third is link farm. Now, what is link farm? Link farm is uh, primarily a website, a group of people or group of website owners. We start giving links to each other. Like we 10, 15 people who are attending this training, I give links to each one of you. Each one of you is giving link to me like this. Everyone is giving a link to each other. This is called link farming. In link farming, what happens is everyone is getting a backlink, and when Google's identify that linkage complete string, then they understood it. They are trying to fool them. Okay, that's why we try to avoid that because it's an artificial way of building a link. Next is new domain. Okay, any link you get it from a domain which is not 6 months old, a domain which is not a 6 months old domain, then you should not try to get it because Google knows domain is not super expensive. Uh, uh, Putting a dummy website is not expensive. Hosting is not expensive. Anyone can buy it and put it. Okay, so Google consider domain age is a really important factor. That's why you should try to avoid getting any backlinks from a website uh, which is which is like which is at least 6 months old. Any website. Okay. Next is links from comments and blogs. This is also considered as a low quality backlink. Like somebody has written a blog because comments are allowed on every blog almost, and all the links are open, means follow links. So you are getting links from a quality content. or a relevant content, but that backlink is coming from comment, which Google knows that it is not written by the website owner, it's user generated data, so it is of no high relevance. Okay, not that important. If it was that it was too important, then Google must have included it. The person has must included that into the article copy. Okay, that's why we avoid. Next is too many profile links. Profile links is like you make link on social media, websites. You can make a link on hundreds and hundreds of profile linking websites. Okay, there are 100 plus social media channels on which you can make it. So you can generate a backlink from that, but that is also we should avoid it. And next is follow this rule. This is critically a very important rule in link building, that 20% link to homepage and 80% of your link to other pages of your website, so that it shows that you are trying to generate relevant links. Why? Because everything coming to homepage means you have given a contract, somebody is generating that. Okay, when it is going to all different other pages of your website, that means there will be a relevant connection. Okay, because most of the information is on other pages, not on the home page. Okay, that's why we should try to avoid or minimize the links from other these through these methods. Okay, is that clear to everyone?